In this video, I'll be sharing a simple process for creating a branded Shopify store in under 5 minutes using AI. And we're not stopping with just the website. If you follow along this process, you'll also get 10 ready to sell winning products handed to you. Fast, good quality, and cheap suppliers connected and ready to ship your orders out. And to do it all with only $2 as your starting budget. Let's begin. So step one, you want to open Build Your Store. And Build Your Store is basically a Shopify AI website builder on steroids, and you'll see why in just a moment. Now, if you want to follow along, it'll be the first link down below in the description box. Once you get to the main page, go ahead and click Build My Free Store. Step two, all you have to do is enter your basic information to sign up from here. Step three, now it's going to ask you to pick a niche. Fashion, pets, electronics, sports, home and garden, whatever you want. If you're not sure yet, just click I'm not sure and then hit done. At step four, you're gonna select a couple of different homepage banners. And honestly, this doesn't really matter too much. It's more just to have something for the homepage of your website to start out. So just pick any two you like and then click done. At step five, you're gonna go ahead and click access Shopify. This is super important that you sign up for your free trial correctly and get on the right plan. If you're using the first link down below in the description, then what you'll notice is you're also gonna get Shopify for just $1 a month for your first 3 months. And actually the first 3 days, it won't even charge your card. So literally you can get started with everything on your brand new business by only spending $2. And you'll see where the other dollar comes in just a sec. So after you've entered your details, it'll ask you for your address and some basic info. Just fill that out real quick and make sure everything is good on the Shopify side. At step 7, Shopify is gonna ask you a bunch more questions to personalize your experience. Again, we don't need that, so we can go ahead and skip it because the AI is gonna do all that work for us. So just click skip customized setup. Now at step 8, this is where you lock in your plan. So all the plans are just $1 a month right now, but honestly, go with the cheapest, go with the basic plan, because even after the 3 months, it'll only be $30 a month to have everything live on Shopify. So now when you're linking your Shopify store to Build Your Store AI, all you have to do is collect the URL at the top of your Shopify page. Then go back over to Build Your Store, paste that in and click save. At the next step, you'll install the app now and click access Shopify to make sure you've still got that $1 discount. It'll take you to a page like this. Go ahead and click subscribe if you haven't already, and then go back to Build Your Store and click done, and then click on the install app. Now, once you've done that, it's gonna prompt you to install the Build Your Store app on Shopify. Basically, all you have to do is follow the steps and click install app. And just like that, the heavy lifting is now being done for us. In what's gonna take about 30 seconds here, the entire store is gonna be customized, and then it's gonna bring us over to set up AutoDS. Now, this is probably the most important step in the entire funnel because without AutoDS, we won't be able to actually source and sell our products. AutoDS is an all-in-one platform that will literally handle everything for us. In one click, we can add any new product to our store from websites like AliExpress, Walmart, Temu, whatever website out there that you find a product you want to sell. Chances are AutoDS can source it, and if they can't, they will attach a specialist to your account to make sure they can get that product on the store for you. They also have 24/7 customer support in case you have any issues or you need any help. But more importantly, once you have orders coming in on your store, in just one click using AutoDS, all those orders will be automatically sent to your customers. Tracking information will be emailed to them so they know where their products are. And they have warehouses across the US that ensure lightning fast delivery. See, in the beginning, I was scrambling working with all these private suppliers who ended up scamming me and ended up costing me a fortune. Not only that, but wasting so much of my time. In today's day and age, AutoDS has become the #1 all-in-one solution for dropshippers and e-com sellers online. It is the only app that you'll need with Shopify to ensure that you can start a business and get that business off the ground today. So when you're signing up for AutoDS here, it's gonna say find the right package for you. Now again, I'd recommend just picking whatever's recommended to us here. You can start today for only $1, so that's where the second dollar comes in, and just go ahead and click on that. Now after your $1 trial, it will start charging you $30 per month, so let's make sure you have your store off to the races before you have to spend that $30 a month. All right, so just like that, AutoDS is now all connected, and let's go back over to our Shopify store here. The first thing that we want to do is we want to go to online store on the left-hand side, themes, and then go over here where it says password protected to remove the password at a store address. We just want to put a basic address. This could even be our home address in here, just so that we can remove that password and the website can go live. Once you've done that, you can go back over to your website to see it live in real time. And this is what the homepage is looking like. I know it's a little bit standard, just some AI images of different products. I did select the clothing niche, so we have a bunch of different sweatsuits and things like that advertised on the homepage. But really, you have everything you need. I mean, you have testimonials, you have benefit-driven copy, and here on the catalog section, you can see all the different winning and trending products that were loaded onto the store for us by buildyourstore.ai. Now, I've actually seen some Facebook ads going crazy with this necklace lately, so let's click into this one. As you can see, we have a few different colors that we can choose from, so many different high-quality images loaded in there with AI ready to go for us. They even have bundles built out, which helps to really increase our average order value so we can make more money on every single sale. On top of that, we have a little shipping banner that will show us when we can expect the product. We have trust badges, we have testimonials, we have some benefit-driven text, and if we keep going, we can see the product page is fully built out. I mean, this shit used to take me days to be able to do one by one for every single product, and we had this AI whip this up in literally just a couple of minutes. But of course, you don't have to stop there. If you go back over to your Shopify dashboard, and in that same section, if you go ahead and click customize, now the sky's the limit with how far you can take your store. You can start swapping out images, you can start adding more testimonials, you can give your brand a unique color scheme and really make it feel more trustworthy. In fact, I wouldn't recommend just starting to sell as it is. Take the few extra minutes, go the extra mile, because AI has already done practically everything for us. So just put in that little bit of extra work and extra effort in making yourself stand out and making your website feel like the real brand that you want it to become. Now, let me just give you a quick briefing on how to actually use Shopify. So the platform has never been easier to use in today's day and age. You have the theme section, you have the pages section where you can add different pages like a track my order, contact us, things like that. You have a preferences section where you can change some basic settings like how your store is going to show up when people search for it on Google. Now, navigating over to the top left-hand side, you have the home tab. So this basically shows you a few basic analytics at a glance and usually a couple of recommendations. Now, underneath that, we have the orders tab, which will eventually show you all the different orders that are being placed by different customers on your store, so you can keep track of every single order that's going out. In the product section, you'll have all the different products on your store. So you can easily change the status, you can make them deactive, you can delete products, you can add more products right from this section. And when you click into a product itself, you can change out the product images, you can change the product description, you can edit the price, and do a lot more in there. Now, the customers tab is where all your future customers are going to start showing up and all of their information. So their email, their phone number, things like that. The marketing tab will basically house different marketing campaigns in the future across different social media platforms. Discounts is where you can set up exclusive discount codes, gift cards, things like that for maybe friends and family. And then content is where all your images, videos, GIFs, and everything like that that you use on the website is going to be. Then you have markets, which is basically just setting up different rates for different markets. So maybe, it's a bit more expensive for you to ship products all the way to Germany. So in the German market, you're adding a little bit more for shipping, and you can kind of adjust those rates inside of that section. And then analytics here is where you can see all the data in real time of your store. So how many orders are coming in, what's your returning customer rate, how many sessions, things like that. And now, most importantly, I had to hit a refresh here, but if you've set things up correctly and if you've followed me, you should have AutoDS listed as the only app on your Shopify store here. So when you click on AutoDS, they have a beautiful integration with Shopify, but I usually like to go to the AutoDS platform to access it myself. And then inside of AutoDS, you can easily add products in one click. You can source them from just about anywhere you can think of. You can also access their winning product section, which will basically show you all the most viral, winning, data-backed, and trending products ready to sell. And they really allow you to do everything seamlessly through that one integration. So there you have it, a fully branded, beautiful, built-out Shopify store connected to AutoDS, which is your suppliers, your product sourcer, your fulfiller, literally your all-in-one tool to handle everything that you might need when starting your e-com business. But now, most importantly, it's time to start making money with your store. It's not enough to just build your store and have everything set up. You need to learn what it takes to start marketing, to start bringing real people to your store and having them pull out their credit card and make a purchase. So if you really want to scale and reach the next level with AI dropshipping, I highly recommend you watch the next video that's going to pop up on screen that will give you the 3 keys to finding success. That's it for the video. Make sure to take full advantage of buildyourstore.ai. First link in the description. Peace.